Seasoned by Sydney. If you're new here, I'm Sydney and I'm all about health and wellness. Today we're going to be making a delicious gluten-free Tex Mex pasta salad. Yes, I know it looks good. It looks delicious. It is. I can't wait to eat it. I love this pasta because not only is it gluten-free, it can be vegan without the shrimp. But if you do eat meat and you want to put on shrimp, or you can use shredded rotisserie chicken or a seared piece of salmon. The salad is very versatile with the protein and it's good just by itself. We're gonna be using my favorite avocado dressing that I've used time and time again on the YouTube channel. You can find it in my Instagram highlights under Avo Dressing. I know you guys are excited to learn how to make this, so let's get into it. Oh, like and subscribe, or no recipes. Start by cooking your gluten-free pasta to your package's direction. Then we're gonna rinse it with some cold water and chill it in the fridge. Once it's done chilling, we're gonna add some halved cherry tomatoes, some rinsed canned black beans, some fresh corn kernels, some sliced sweet baby bell peppers, and a little red onion. Go ahead and squeeze some fresh lime over this. And no reason not to season. So once we finish seasoning, this pasta salad is essentially done. You can add a little olive oil to it and eat it just like this. But if you want to get crazy and you want to spice this up, then definitely keep watching. To take this to the next level, I'm going to add my avocado dressing. Recipe is on my Instagram. We're just going to give that a nice stir. It adds a delicious creaminess to the pasta. No reason not to season. Always taste your food. Y'all know I'm not a vegan, so I'm gonna add some delicious sautéed shrimp for the protein. Like I said earlier, you can use rotisserie chicken or a nice seared piece of salmon. And we are all done. You have an easy, delicious, healthy weeknight meal.